Hey friends, today we've got a great recipe. If you've got a pound of ground beef and some pasta in the house, this one's for you. It's called the 10-minute ground beef noodle dish. It's super easy, delicious, economical. Let's get into it. We begin by cooking our pasta for 6 minutes. Meanwhile, we're going to add olive oil to a warm skillet on top of the stove where we prepare to brown our ground beef. Once the ground beef starts to brown up, we're going to start to chop up the ground beef a little bit, mix it up. Meanwhile, the pasta is done, so I'm going to drain that, take that off the stove and put it into a bowl and set it aside. I'm also going to take the green onion and separate the green onion from the white to the green part. We're going to separate it, chop that up. I'm going to add the ginger to the ground beef, which looks like it's browned up real nice here. Right behind that, I'm going to add the white part of that green onion, and we're going to give it a really good mix so that it all kind of cooks down and the onions become very fragrant and soft. Next up, we're going to add more spices to the ground beef. We're going to add the Hossein sauce or your oyster sauce, paprika, and then we're also going to add the soy sauce to the mixture. And you can kind of start to see it starting to bubble and heat up real nice. We're going to give that a really good mix so that those seasonings start to marinate and take on that nice beef flavor there. Next up, we're going to add our sugar into the ground beef mixture, and we're also going to give that a nice stir and mix all together there, and then we're going to let that cook for a few minutes and become very, very fragrant. Now I saved some of the noodle water when I drained the noodles, and I'm going to add about a cup of that into the ground beef mixture, and I'm going to let that kind of simmer and kind of cook together there. And next I'm going to take the cooked pasta, and I'm going to place that right on top of the meat mixture. My temperature is still on about medium on the stove temperature. After that, right before I'm going to serve it, I'm going to add the remainder of the green onions on top, and I'm going to give that a nice good mix here. I use the cooking kitchen claws here to mix that ground beef and the pasta and the green onions all together right before serving the dish. And it is smelling wonderful. It's coming together very, very nicely. And again, remember, we only cook those noodles for 6 minutes because the noodles are also going to cook here on the stove top as the dish finishes. It's a beautiful dish served up on a beautiful white plate there. You can see the beautiful green onions, the pasta, and it smells delicious. Super easy recipe. An easy ground beef dinner recipe. Now I'm going to toss up the recipe card for the 10-minute ground beef noodle recipe that I just made here alongside with you so that you can take a screenshot with your device. So you'll have this recipe to use whenever you decide to make this dish. If you like this video and want to cook alongside of me again, please hit that subscribe button and like button so we can see more of each other. Now let's taste this wonderful 10-minute ground beef noodle dish. All right, friends, it's time to dig into our 10-minute ground beef noodle dish here. Here it is all completed on one skillet on the stove. Let's dish some up here. Now this is a great recipe too for you to add any vegetables that you have in the house. Like maybe you've got some frozen peas or corn, or you love mushrooms. You can throw some cheese on top of here. So this is pretty much kind of the 10-minute ground beef noodle dish naked is what I call it. And you can add anything that you've got in the pantry or in the freezer to this dish to make it just that much better. So let's take a bite here. The onions really balance the flavor, and I think that I tasted the onion first, so it does have that beautiful onion flavor with that nice savory beef and noodle texture right behind it. It is absolutely delicious. Hey, listen, don't forget to screenshot that recipe card that's here inside the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.